What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS Black back in with another video. And by the title, y'all see, it's gonna be life as a Camaro owner. And y'all see, I really ain't got no space in my trunk. I can't really fit no tires in there. And I gotta somehow get these tires in here. I gotta get these tires to fit, I guess, in the front seat, because they ain't gonna fit in the trunk. So y'all stay tuned right now. I gotta go get a cut. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go get a cut. Life as a Camaro owner. I gotta go get this cut, and then I'll get back with y'all. As y'all guys can see, we just got the chop up. Yes, sir. We just got the chop up. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm finna go pick up the tires now. I think I'm gonna try to load one here, and then if that's all that fits, I'm gonna just fucking bring the tire to the tire shop and then come back. The tire shop is right around the road from there, so that's a W thing, so stay tuned. So I just got the tires, and this is how we riding, all right? This is how we riding, you know what I'm saying? Life as a Camaro owner. We ain't got really too much space. Trunk, tires too big for a damn trunk. Luckily, I don't have a passenger, because it can fit in the passenger seat. Yeah, one in behind the passenger seat. Nothing behind me, obviously. But let's go get to the tire shop, guys. Just like that, we driving. We driving, man. We gotta do whatever to do to get the job done, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do whatever you gotta do. Shop. Let's get these back. Let's get these motherfuckers on. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. As y'all can see, we got the tires unloaded. You know what I'm saying? The tires is right there. They on lunch right now, so we're gonna wait till they, you know what I'm saying, get all lunch. Cause I know how I feel. You know what I'm saying? You on lunch break. You ain't trying to work on no lunch break. It's a lunch break. You know what I'm saying? It's break time. You know what I'm saying? So yes, sir. So I guess I'll just talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And yeah, bro. Like I was saying, man, life on the Camaro, you gonna need tires, bro. Especially if you drive the way you drive. Let me show y'all. Yeah. Why y'all gonna need tires? Everywhere you go. I mean, not everywhere you go, but it depends on the way you drive. You know what I'm saying? I know the way I drive, I go like legal pits and shit. Listen, spin wheel, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Y'all can see, they bald as hell, you know what I'm saying? I'm riding on wires. At least that's what it look like. And that's a bow tires, you know what I'm saying? Ride with faith. Yeah, ride with faith, you know what I'm saying? Ride with, my bad, bro, I didn't know the hell that was. Ride with faith. That's life on the Camaro. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all took off. Be taken care of. Yes, sir. I see we by the road, so it kind of noisy as hell. But it's like how the Atlanta boys will leave just like that. But they have your shit sitting on bricks, not the jack. You know what I'm saying? They getting your butt right. Just like that, we got the old tires. I ain't in the car right now. On the way back to the crib, I'm gonna show y'all the times when I get to the crib. Show y'all time I get back to the crib, which I'm on the way right there now with these tires unloaded. And let me see. These bitches bald, bro. Bald like y'all, some of y'all heads and some of y'all girl edges. Man, look at that. Dang. And what I hit right there. Put that little right there too. Yes, sir. Out with the, oh, got the new ones home. Like I was driving faith, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That shit's crazy, though. Yeah, we just left the gas station. I forgot to record it. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, we is at McDonald's. Y'all know I gotta go to McDonald's every time I go get some fast food. I gotta get some McDonald's. 4 for $5 every time. You know what I'm saying? But here, y'all, life is a Camaro on. I got the tires put on. I just got gas. You know, every time I gotta get gas. You know what I'm saying? Like every video I do, I gotta get some gas. Just go down crazy. But I get with y'all when I get ready to order the food. Oh, just like that. I knocked that damn food down. I didn't even get the shit on camera because I was fucking that shit up. But hell yeah. But that shit, we on some more shit. You know what I'm saying? Life of Camaro on them. Follow me on IG. Oh God. Hey, we finna goddamn. I'm finna go to the pool though. On some cool shit. I'm finna go to the pool. Like, come on, man. To go to the pool though. On some cool shit. Oh my God.